Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your ESPN Fantasy Baseball. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log into ESPN.com and go to the Fantasy Games section and select Baseball and also sign in your account if you did not sign in yet. Basically, you can do this on the phone as well. And after that, you're going to press on My Teams section to access your team league and the details, and also to view the roster. And basically it includes the player status and the designation, like the D2D for injuries. And you can manage the injured players by moving them to the bench and also replace the injured player. Basically, points are earned based on the real life player performance, and the home runs also may add points, while the striker out could detect points. And you can check standings in the League tab to see your rank. And you can basically use the Schedule section in the League tab to view weekly matchups and track performance against competitors. An additional feature like trophies add a fun and competitive edge, even though they do not affect the game points. And you should consider player trades to optimize your team and check seasonal projection for better lineups decision. And you should regularly manage the roster, like monitoring the players, moving injured players, and etc. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.